Okay, here we are now. We are almost full. As you can see, it's coming out the top at the fill hole, which is expected. Oops. What do we have there? Oh, I don't know. That looks like blue to me. Yeah. Oh, there's some more. Let's see here. Where are we at? Oh, looky there. Oh, there it is. There it is. What else we got here? Oh, I want to make sure we're still at the same tank that we were. Let's take a look at the other side. See how that's progressing over there. Oh my. Oh my, there's an awful lot of blue stuff on the ground. Looky there. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, we get a little more water in there. Oh, there goes the fountain. There goes our fountain. Oh my, what do we got over here? Oh, must be something there. Huh. I do declare, I believe those are holes there too. Oh, look at the top of the deck. Look at that. Aren't those pretty bubbles from the blue solution inside here? Let's see. Let's make sure that that's actually. Whoop. Look at that. See? Stopped. Start. Stop. Start. Very nice. Very nice. That's quite interesting, I think. Oh, let's go back around here. There comes our fountain. That's what we wanted to see. Look at that. Wow. Well, I guess the lesson here is this is one very expensive water fountain. And it's too bad this had to be a lesson. Very expensive lesson. There's some more. There's some more bubbling out. There she goes. It's getting there. That's cool. That's very cool. Wish I had some pennies to throw at it. And I could truly wish that he hadn't spent $30,000 on a water fountain. Good thing this is clean. Because can you imagine running down the road with sewage on this tank? Oh, by the way, that's what it's for, portable toilets. For sucking out portable toilets. That's you know, you can see it. I don't know if you can see that coming out of the top. You know, it's supposed to be under vacuum. It's a vacuum truck. Let me back up a little bit so you get the gist of this. It's a vacuum truck for pumping and cleaning portable toilets. And this is the vacuum tank. You can see the hoses. And the pump system down here provided. That is tough to see, isn't it? I guess I'll move the angle a little better. There we go. There we go. Is that cool or what? And all those little spots on the tank are previous repairs over the past 5 years. Oh yes, this is a 2007 Amthor International tank. Rather large company in the industry. All of their ads say they have a 10-year leak-free warranty. Maybe they only cover the warranty when it gets to 10 years, because this tank's 5 years old, and they refuse to do anything about it. But we thought everybody would like to see what a very expensive fountain looks like. And again, the blue chemical is the same chemical used for cleaning portable toilets, and it was added to the fresh water in this tank strictly for the purpose of demonstrating how excessively this tank leaks. Now, this tank was used exclusively for the purpose it was built for. Nothing special, nothing extra. You can see it coming right up out of the tank. Also, you know, you can see the deck. I mean, there's no damage other than repairs all over the deck. There's no damage from impact, abrasion, anything of that such. This is strictly for the use of hauling portable toilets on the deck, and the interior is what the sewage is held in. So it's not supposed to leak. That would be an environmental disaster. So one of my questions, who else in the country or the world has seen one of these going down the road leaking? It's got to be more. They've sold hundreds of them, supposedly. I can't be the only one that bought one of these things. But as we said, there's your fountain right there. Isn't that pretty? That's your blue fountain of toilet. Your toilet fountain. It's just unconceivable to me, that's all. No joke. Corrosion from the inside out.